Hi guys, uh, let me introduce myself to all of you. This is Kritika. I am a BE and a MTech holder. That too, I have done my masters in digital communication as well. This channel mainly helps for the people, especially the students who are in their basic in electronics branch, or the engineering students who are in their first semester or second semester. They can use my presentations. I am doing the topic with respect to the modules what and all are prescribed by the VTU. So today I'm planning to give you a brief introduction about what is a PN junction diode. Okay, coming to the contents part, let me tell you what all will be there in this presentation. It includes the definition, the symbol and working of the diode, the two conditions, that is forward biasing and reverse biasing, and the VI characteristics of the PN junction diode. Coming to the definition part, let's see what do you mean by the PN junction diode. Okay, it is the simplest form of semiconductor device which allows the current to pass through it only in one direction. It is made of silicon crystal where it has been doped with two types of impurities, that is trivalent impurity and pentavalent impurity, specifically the which is termed to be the P type and the N type. Okay, this is the symbol of the rightmost part. You can find the symbol of the PN junction diode, and the downside picture will show you what is the P type and N type, how it looks internally. The silicon crystal will look like this. So let me tell you the working of this PN junction diode. When the electrons they leaves the N region, it creates the positive ions and recombines with the holes what and all are there, which creates the negative region in the negative ions in the P region. Okay, so what happens, there will be a depletion region generation. What is the depletion region? This is the region where in the near the junction there will be no free charges. That is termed to be the depletion region. Now let us see what is barrier potential. We can call it as the potential barrier also. Okay, it is the difference between the previous diffusion of electrons and the holes across the junction or interface. Okay, so now let us see what is biasing. Biasing is basically like if we provide any external source to the any circuit, it is termed to be the biasing. Okay, now let us see the two conditions in this PN junction diode. One is forward biasing. What do you mean by this forward biasing? Means when the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the P type, it is termed to be the, and the negative terminal to the N type, it is termed to be the forward bias condition. Okay, in this condition what happens, the current starts flowing, which is termed to be the conventional current, through the junction, so that the whole diode acts as a short circuit, so that the whole current flows through the circuit. We can calculate the external potential difference as given in this formula. External potential difference can be calculated with the product of the barrier potential and the difference, I can say. Basically we should know the potential barrier for the silicon and the germanium diodes. For silicon it will be around 0.5 to 0.7, and for germanium it will be like 0.3 volts. Okay, now coming to the reverse bias condition, it is the opposite of the forward bias condition. That is, the negative terminal of the battery is connected to P type and the positive terminal is connected to the N type. It can be represented as shown in the figure what I have displayed there. So what happens here in reverse biasing, it acts like a open circuit. Okay, open circuit means what? There will be no current flow in the circuit. When the reverse bias conditions increases its value, what it will do is it will suddenly reverse the current flow. This condition has an impact on the diode, which is termed to be the breakdown of the diode. Okay, at this time the voltage will be there at the diode breakdown, it is termed to be the breakdown voltage. Now let us see what are all the how can we pictorially represent the VI characteristics of the PN junction diode. Firstly, it will be like Forward bias condition, it is represented here like, we know for the forward bias condition what happens, as I already explained, the current start raising. Okay, it is represented like this. The point at which the current starts raising continuously, that point is termed to be the knee voltage or the cut-in voltage. Here the forward current will be more, as shown. In the reverse bias condition, what happens, the circuit will be in the, it will act like a open circuit. There will be no current flow here, high impedance path will be generated. So what happens, the current through the diode will be constant. That's why it is mentioned as a reverse constant current. Okay, this is all about the PN junction diode and the characteristics with the two conditions what the PN junction diode works. So thank you very much for all of you who are listening to this presentation. This is my first presentation, so I would like to tell you all, like, if you really like the video, please press the like button and subscribe for my channel, so that the new video what I'll be uploading, it will be you will get a message when I upload my new video. So thank you so much, and if you got any doubts, you can ask me questions related to that, so that I can help you. Thank you so much.